So I bought a Terramaster U4 423 NAS, rack mounted NAS with 4 bays, and I mounted that in the attic. So in the background you see me how I go up there, because while watching movies on 2 or 3 TVs with 4K, I always run out of RAM and it stops playing the movies. You can see that my RAM is at the moment 4 GB, and even without watching movie I'm already at 75%. Okay, it was restoring the RAID in the background, so that took a little bit. Now you see me removing the lid. The lid was fixed with 3 screws at the back and 2 on the side, so 5 screws altogether. And that is it. So you lift it up, you pull it out. Now you can see there are 2 RAM bays. One is already taken by the original from stock 4 GB RAM bar, yes, that one. And I ordered a new one, original one, with 8 GB to top it up. I tried different ones. I tried from Samsung, I tried from SanDisk, but they all didn't work. It was exactly the same specs, but the Terramaster did not recognize them. So I bought the original one. I bought it all over Amazon. I will put the link below. Then you just click it in, that's it. You put the lid back on, you shift the lid in from the back, yes, like this, down, and then you put the 5 screws back in. So you can see in the background still how I put everything together. In the meanwhile, on top you can see how I already started it up. The NAS is now running for 8 minutes. At the moment only using 26% of the memory, and we have over 12 GB RAM. So the exchange was successful, and since then the server runs just smooth. Thank you for watching, and if you like videos like that, please comment, leave a like and follow me.